If you're a homeowner who's done any kind of renovations outside your home, you know how time consuming and difficult the renovations can be. So most of us look for ways that we can cut corners to cut down time. And so it's an easy question to ask if you can pour concrete over grass just to get through the project quicker. Well, the short answer is not really. So let's dive in. Hey there, I'm Christina with Backyardscape, where we share tips and ideas to make your backyard your favorite hangout spot. So make sure you subscribe so you get all the latest videos. You shouldn't pour concrete over grass directly. For your concrete to harden flat and smooth, it needs to be free of vegetation, and pour the concrete on top of smooth, debris-free soil. And plus, we'll talk about what to do if you do decide to pour concrete over grass. All right, when you're pouring the concrete, you just want to make sure that the area that you're preparing is flat and that the soil is free of debris, including grass. Making sure that the earth is compact and strong is very important. That's why you want to have a base sand or gravel down before you pour your concrete. Changing weather does not affect sand or gravel, meaning the base will not expand or contract even when the temperature changes. So that reduces the cracking. Now, if the grass is used in place of this layer, then your base is more likely to shift over time. But if you're in a hurry and you just don't want to hassle with removing it, then there are a few situations that you can maybe get away with the grass. One is if you're pouring more than 6 inches, so a very thick layer of concrete, it's not going to prevent the grass from growing through it, but because of how thick it is, it might take a much longer time for it to find its way through it. Now, also think if it's temporary, then if you plan on moving the concrete from its spot, maybe a year or two later, then that might not be an issue. You still want to do a form, you want to harden it to allow it to keep its strength. Also, if you don't mind maintaining the concrete. So in these cases, you can pour it over grass, filling the cracks and the gaps as they happen. You can also pour concrete over grass if the cracks or unevenness isn't an issue. If you're just pouring concrete as a base to hold up, say, smaller items like an air conditioner, outdoor utilities, or even around your mailbox, then smaller cracks might not be an issue for you. The biggest thing you want to look at is if you're doing this for a foundational purpose. And now make sure you watch this video next as I walk you through how to hang string lights in your backyard without any trees. And I'll see you over there.